Cyclone annual new product launch conference was held in Chongqing on March 11. 6 new motorcycles launched. Cyclone RC250 Cyclone Edition. Based on the sport version, the RC250 Hurricane version ditches the electronic quickshifter, replaces the dash with an LCD style, and replaces it with a steel rear control arm. However, it still has the following equipment: Bosch EFI slipper clutch, inverted front shock absorber, semi-hot melt vacuum tires, front and rear disc brakes, dual-channel ABS, TCS, USB charging interface, gel battery, T-box and other configurations are available. A high-looking, entry-level imitation racing motorcycle, the Cyclone RC250 has top-of-the-range configuration features and first-class performance, as well as a very affordable price. Cyclone RA2 strap version 11980 Yuan. The price of the Cyclone RA2 belt version has been reduced from 15,980 yuan to 11,980 yuan, with a discount of up to 4,000 yuan. In addition to the price adjustment, the RA2's LED dash has been replaced with a new design, a speedometer has been added to the top of the dash, dual strobe emergency lights and a new color have been added. After the price cut, the RA2 belt version still features LED indicators, front and rear disc brakes, dual-channel ABS, dual airbag rear shock absorbers, vacuum tire gel batteries, belt drive, etc. Equipped with Cyclone RA250 new model 14988 Yuan. Although the price of the chain-link version has dropped, it is still equipped with a sliding clutch, Bosch EFI, LED lamps, LED indicators, front shock absorbers, double-sided shock absorbers, front and rear disc brakes, dual-channel ABS, vacuum, rubber gel battery and USB charging interface. Additionally, the TCS function was added, the instrumentation was upgraded with a speedometer, the LED turn signal was redesigned, and the front seat cushion was optimized and narrowed. The seat height was reduced by 10 mm to only 735 mm, and new colors were also provided. Cyclone RA401 belt version. Since the price of RA401 has been adjusted before, this time there is a new strap version of RA401. As the name suggests, the belt version naturally upgrades the transmission, including belt, drive wheel, and also has a flat handle, and also continues the high configuration of the previous version of RA401 and provides 3 new colors. Cyclone RE600 Cyclone Edition 29988 Yuan. Major changes include replacing the front shock absorber with a non-adjustable design, replacing Pirelli tires with Hello tires, and cancelling the tire pressure monitoring function but adding new colors. Cyclone RX650 Pilot Edition 39988 Yuan. Pilot Edition is equipped with slipper clutch, Bosch EFI, LED lamps, keyless start, TFT dash, all-in-one machine, mobile screen projection, KYB inverted front shock absorber, KYB single rear shock absorber, adjustable, aluminum alloy straight forks, Shihu disc brakes, double floating disc at the front, single disc at the rear, Bosch ABS, BCM, body control system. Aluminum wheels, Tenson tubeless tires, stainless steel muffler, T-box, aluminum alloy rear armrest. New motorcycles will be launched in 2024.